Hello guys, I'm back with a new video and I'm kind of restarting my channel. So we will start today with calculus. Okay, with calculus. Now what are we studying in calculus? So we will be starting with limits. जो basics है एकदम limits, फिर continuity, differentiability, फिर हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कॉन्केविटी, कॉन्वेक्सिटी, पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन, एमवीटी पढ़ेंगे। अच्छा, एल हॉस्पिटल्स पढ़ेंगे, टेलर पॉलिनोमियल विल बी देयर। ठीक है, these things are the main portions which we'll be covering along with Rolle's theorem। अच्छा, इनको मैं स्पेसिफाई कर रहा हूँ बेसिकली Rolle's theorem एंड Lagrange theorem। ठीक है, Lagrange theorem, these two are parts of MVT itself, but these two are given separately in the +2 level, okay, as application of derivative। तो हम लोग इन दोनों को अलग से देख रहे हैं। अच्छा, along with rate of change, approximations, tangent normal, फिर जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें है वो होगी लेबनिट्ज थ्योरम ऑफ nth डेरिवेटिव। ठीक है, तो these topics will be the primary topics which we will be covering। अब there are many topics except these which are not mentioned here। Those topics are basically related to these topics, right? So when we will be studying these topics, those topics will be covered automatically। So we will start today with limits and we will move on with these topics, right? So today we will be starting with limits। Okay, so what is limit? Very basically, so the mathematical expression of limit is given as limit x tends to a fx is equals to L। This is a very basic definition of limit। Now what does this definition mean? So mathematically this definition means that when x approaches a, fx approaches L। okay, this is the very basic definition of limit। Now what is the graphical understanding of this particular thing? तो basically graphical understanding समझने से पहले let us understand one more important thing, that is existence of limit। ठीक है, existence of limit। अच्छा, this thing is pretty clear, right? When x is approaching a, when x is moving towards a, fx is approaching L। ठीक है, now what is the existence of limit? So according to existence of limit, the limit, ऐसा लिखो, the limit lim x a fx exists if limit x tends to a plus is equals to limit x tends to a minus fx। ठीक, this is a very important mathematical notation। What does this mean? This means that this is, first let us discuss the term। So this is known as the right hand limit, this is known as the left hand limit। Very pretty easy, right? Now this mathematical notation means that when we approach a from right, when x, basically this is x, when x approaches A from left. Okay. Now let us go into a graphical understanding of this thing. तो फिर ये दोनों चीजें समझ में आ जाएगा completely. देखो, suppose you have a graph which is given as say this, select this, okay, and this is your x equal to a. Okay, so this will be your f of a, right? Now we say that whether limit x tends to a fx exists or not. This is the question. So we have seen that for this to exist, this mathematical condition must be satisfied. Now this mathematical condition basically means ki, suppose we are traveling from here, we are coming down towards x equal to a from the right of a, from the right of a, yes, okay, from the right of a. So as we are traveling towards x equal to a from the right of a, we are finding that f of x is approaching f of a, right? F of x is approaching f of a, right? Or let this not be fa, let this be some m, okay, generally taking, let this be m, okay. So this point is m, okay, this point is m. So as we are approaching towards x equal to a from the right, fx is approaching m. Now when we are approaching from the left of a, see, fx is again approaching m. That means ki whether we travel from the right or we travel from the left, fx is approaching m only. That means ki this mathematical condition is satisfied, that ki in both the cases fx is approaching the same term. Okay, then we can say that this limit x tends to a fx is equal to m. That means the limit exists and is equal to m. Okay, so this is the main theory behind the existence of limit. Got my point? Okay. Now in the next video we will be discussing about continuity. Okay.